Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Hyundai Elantra Sport Premium, stock reference number 5030. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left fog light, right hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left side skirt, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left boot lid garnish, right boot lid garnish, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right power door mirror, right door appears to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.